Yeah, guys, it's a beautiful sunny day here in Sant'Agata Bolognese, but most importantly, yes, I've got a brand new bike, courtesy of DYU, the sponsor of this video. Yes, that's correct, this is not the first time they send me one of their amazing bikes, but this time they wanted me to check out the brand new A1F. Oh, I think we have a Lambo. Yes, oh, come with me. Ooh, yes, okay. Let's go! That was a beautiful orange Revuelto! What a great start of the day! And what a great bike this is! Now we will take a closer look at this beauty in a few minutes, but for the time being, let's focus on Lambos. Oh, okay, Urus Performante in matte grey. Okay, let's see. Okay, Evo Spider rear-wheel drive. Oh, one very fast Urus incoming. Oh, wait a moment, I think we have... Ooh, what is it? Still a prototype. Yes, I love Urus prototypes. Oh, wait a minute, that's not even a normal Urus prototype, it's the new Urus SE. Okay, now finally a good spec on the Urus, and it's also a Performante, as you can see. Ooh, yes, a beautiful spec on the STO. Guys, I think I just discovered a huge issue with this video, and no, it's not my Mercedes hat, so please stop bothering me about it. But as you can probably hear, this microphone, here, the shotgun one, doesn't work anymore. So I think I'm stuck with this one, the lavalier. Yes, this means you will hear more about my voice and less about the cars, but just for this video, don't worry. Oh, okay. We have a Tecnica. Oh, okay. Also Revuelto, very nice. Oh my god, and it was such a beautiful spec, but enough with the chit-chat, let's focus on the cars. Let's see what it is. It looks like a Performante, very nice. Those are some beautiful flowers, but do you know what's even better? New Lambos! No way! Okay, an FA Tributo! Yes, from Sweden! So cool! Oh yes, and we also have the STO coming back! Wow, blue Uranus is such a good color! Ooh, another Performante! But wait a moment, the hood was in a different color? Okay. Let's see, I think we should have something coming out. Oh, come on, that's not how you spot here. I think that's kinda disrespectful. I mean, why would you stop there with your car in the middle of the street? What a bunch of clowns. But hey, at least we have something else. Is it the Tecnica from before? Fortunately, it's a full black spec, so not my favorite one. And honestly guys, call me an hypocrite, but I will never ever stand there to spot the cars coming out from the gates. It's really not fair for the test drivers and the people working there. As you can see, I usually stand about 30 meters away from the gates with my chair and my new bike. And since we are already on the subject, let's talk a bit more about this beauty. This is the brand new A1F, recently released by DYU, the well-known e-bike brand famous for delivering high-quality products at a competitive price. You might remember about my previous e-bike, also from DYU, but this time they went for a much more compact one, and this one can easily fit in any car. See? No effort at all. Just take it out, secure the joints, raise the seat, and tada! You are ready to roll! The new A1F features a 250-watt electric motor on the rear wheel and an impressive compact battery perfectly fitted inside the chassis. These two combined can guarantee a full 40 km of range with a maximum speed of around 25 km per hour. It's really hard to express how light and easy to use this bike is. But as you know, I'm not a particularly strong man, and it's a joke even for me. Brake disc both at the front and at the back are just some of the high-quality features of this e-bike. The small computer here can be used to select different modes and power levels. And yes, in case you're wondering, it also comes with this super cute basket. I mean, I won't use it as I don't need it, but you can't argue it looks pretty cool, right? Alright, enough with my boring review. If you ever need a super compact e-bike for your everyday needs and you want it to be super reliable while not spending a whole lot of money, be sure to check out DYU's store. I will leave the link in the pinned comment down below. Now guys, how cool is this bike? But I think I've heard the sound of a brand new Urus SE. Let's see. Yes! Now I don't really know if you can hear it guys, you know, because the shotgun mic is dead, but this thing sounds very different from the normal Urus. Ooh, yeah, Performante! There is a beautiful color under the sun. Nice combo, black and yellow. Now, judging by the sound, we should have a Huracan, and yes, indeed we have, with a nice spec. Yeah, I'm a big fan of light blue Lambos. But the good news don't end here, because as you can probably hear, my shotgun mic is now working. And this means you are now able to properly hear the sound of the cars. But I just noticed something amazing, check it out guys, the ducks are back. Haha, so cute. Ha, I think we have more tourists today. Yo, from Czech Republic, check it out. Yes, that's an R8. So cool. Let's see, what do we have? Ooh, nice color on this Urus S. Interesting choice with the orange calipers. Don't mind the Huracan Spider, cause I'm pretty sure we have the brand new Urus SE coming out. Oh yeah, there it is! And it's also the launch spec, with the new Arancio Egon spec. That's so cool under the sunlight. Oh, okay! Now that's a Urus SE combo! My first one! I think we have another Urus. This is a very normal one, a Urus S. Come on guys, it definitely sounds better than the new one. Oh! Oh hell yeah! yeah, I love unexpected V12s. Oh, that was very unexpected, but we have something else. Let's see. Oh, okay, very standard Huracan Evo Spider, of course. Okay, what is it? I bet you can hear the hybrid powertrain, right? I definitely still prefer the sound of the old one. Very well, we should have something kinda interesting. Ooh, yeah, definitely! Black Revuelto with the red calipers! Yo, another Urus SE! Guess what? I think we have another Urus. Ooh, okay, finally a Performante! I think it's another. Yes! Wow! Ooh! Ho ho! What a spec! Oh, wow, okay, beautiful color. And yes, you guessed it, it's a Urus SE. That is so quiet. Ooh, what is it? Ooh, matte spec on the Performante, yes! Yeah, check it out! Wild Revuelto incoming! Ooh wee! Now that's a spec! Oh, guys, we have a very interesting combo! That is so cool! Oh, okay! Now back to the hybrid Urus! Oh no, we've seen this one before. It's the black and yellow Urus Performante. It's always a nice sight, right? Stay with me for a quick second because I think we have a brand new here hybrid Urus coming out. Oh, okay, now that's dual tone. Interesting prototype indeed. In full electric mode. No, I almost missed it! Beautiful orange STO! Yo, I think we have another Urus SE! Damn, that's pretty neat! Oh yes! Another Arancio Egon Urus SE! Wow, guys! Oh my god, what a day! How about this for another combo? That's so cool! I'm so happy today! This should be the blue Urus S with the orange calipers, let's see. Yes! Oh, but I'm now noticing it's matte blue. Wow, very cool! Ooh, nice. Okay, we have a Urus Performante coming back. Oh, check it out. Combo, Urus combo. So the matte Performante goes in, and then we have the Urus SE. Ah, it doesn't sound very good, right? Ooh, this is the beautiful STO, check it out. Yes, so good. Ooh, Urus, probably an SE coming back. Yes, check out the warning sticker on the hood. Wow. Awesome spec for the hybrid Urus here. We definitely have a Urus hiding behind this car. Nice, beautiful spec on the Performante. Yes! Awesome downshift. Aha! Guys, I think we have another Urus SE coming back! Unfortunately, I don't really like the wheels, but check out the new design of the car. From the sound, I think we have another Urus. Performante, another black and yellow spec, very nice. Yes! Ooh, okay, very cool spec on the Revuelto. That's a very bold shade of orange with the black wheels and black calipers. That should be the orange STO, if I'm not mistaken. Let's check it out. Yes, indeed, and with the matching calipers too. Very cool. And with that said, guys, I think we are done for today. It was an amazing day. We got to spot an incredible amount of Urus SE, and well, I got to check out the brand new bike by DYU. So as always, I hope you enjoyed the cars and my video, of course, and see you in a few days.